Hey guys, Steve, Al Metal Dryer Event, almetaldryerevent.com. Check out my Periscope, it's great. So today I'm at a little one-story old school rental home. And you wouldn't believe what these old homes are going for in Charlotte, North Carolina right now. But the rental market is strong. So I'm running a full vent. However, those videos really aren't getting that much views because they're so long. So on this one, I'm gonna show you how to put a new damper in a brick wall when there wasn't a hole there was one before. Let's check it out. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out where we're gonna bring it out of the structure, okay? If you look at the bricks, see they're all going this way, right? But then every now and then you hit ones like this where the bricks are turned in, right? Look over here again, see another one right here. So if you look on the back side of that, bam, that's why. All right, so it's a pillar. It's what's helping support the structure of the home. So I've already been underneath. I know my hole is gonna be somewhere around in here. Let me back up some. Somewhere around here, right? But instead of just guessing, let me show you guys an easy way to figure out. All right, so I'm in the crawl space now, and if you look way over there, that's where I have the duct coming down. Remember, I'm running a new duct system altogether, but I've got to figure out where I'm gonna bring it out, right? So I know I have to go past that pillar there and bring solid metal duct. And so what I've done is I've run a piece across this hard HVAC duct. So here's that wall that I was talking about that we're going to be coming out of, okay? So the easiest way to do this, let me see if I can set this camera up right so you guys can see too. All right, you can try to guess all day long outside, you know, do your tape measure, do all that kind of stuff, but easier way, that brick I was talking about was right here, okay? So jeez, dude. All right, so what I've done is I've marked my hole. You can even see the daylight outside. Look at that. Pow, pow, pow. All right, so we're gonna go outside now and find our hole. All right, so we come outside, we look around, we find our hole. Cool. So that could possibly be my center point, okay? I'll probably wind up probably wind up taking this whole area out right here, okay? So hopefully you can see this. So my hole right there, that'll work. Maybe not. Actually, I'm going to use that as my center point like I should, because I'm going to show different ways. All right, so there's my hole. So let me get my toys. A couple ways you can do it. All right, this is a 4 1/4 masonry saw. It would go straight in, you start grinding away. I'm gonna start by doing that and see if it works. Otherwise, I'll go to the old grinder. We'll be back. All right, so I'm gonna try with this first. These old bricks, sometimes this thing just won't budge it. And if so, I'll have to use a grinder. As y'all can see, that's going to take forever. We're going to try the grinder. We'll be back. All right, so now you see I've got an outline. What I'm going to have to do is use, I'm going to go the old school way with a hammer, just because these old bricks, man, they're solid. They're not like the new bricks that we have today. No, sir. All right, so just like normal, I'm gonna mark my anchor spots. Shoot, am I that lucky? All right, got my holes marked. Now time to drill them in. All right, next, caulk. All right, guys, and I get this question all the time. And they say, why are you putting white caulk on brick wall brown damper? This stuff goes on white. It dries clear though. It may take it 48 hours, but it dries clear. And there you have it, guys. Brand new dryer vent damper. Now I'm gonna run, I still have to run the ductwork underneath the crawl space and all that, but I don't think you guys want to see that. I have other videos out there that explain that. So thank you for watching. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. See you on the next one. All right, I want to show you guys because I know there'll be some people wanting to know why I didn't show the vent if I don't. So there's the new vent running across, and then it goes, oh man, and then it goes that way and then goes up through the floor. All right, guys, again, I appreciate you watching. See you on the next one.